What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're not working on Little Monster. What a big shocker, is the first video that we're not working on the bike, but it will make an appearance in this video, I assure you, and it will be awesome. Today, what are we gonna do? We're gonna improve the workshop. Now for people who were subscribed before, I already did a revamp of the shop. I painted everything, I removed everything with lights up, so you guys have better videos. But today we get some new equipment to make our life pretty easy. But that is for later on in this video. What we first need to do is clean the shop. I want to clean the floor. The floor is very dirty. I've been working on bikes for like 5 years straight now, and I spilled oil and fuel everywhere. The floor is dirty. And before I want to put in that new equipment, that new, I want to clean the floor. So I got some really good soap right here. I'm gonna remove all the dust, scrub it down and make the floor, because I cannot get this floor super clean, but it will be cleaner. But first, we need to remove everything. Now, as you can see, some stuff has already been moved. I did that last week because the package would have arrived last week, but it didn't. So it arrived the next week, and here we are. So we're gonna have to take out the saw, take out the table, the chairs, that rack right here, and a little stuff over there. So we can sweep the floor, scrub it up, and make it all nice and pretty again. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Now later on in the video, the shade is gonna come over. We're gonna install this new equipment because it's pretty heavy, and I need an extra set of hands. And later on, we're gonna have some fun with Little Monster. But for now, let's get everything out of here and start cleaning. So the floor is all clean, and actually it looks pretty dirty still. I mean, it's like a white shade. I don't know. Maybe this was a mistake, but it has to be clean to put in the new piece. And my friend arrived to help me because the 160 kilos is a lot for me. So first of all, we're gonna put this stuff back as it was before, the saw, my welding table, the rack, everything, so we can have a clear idea where we should put in this new shop upgrade. And then we're gonna check out the box that it came in and unbox it. So this is it, the big shop upgrade. We got ourselves a motorbike lift. As you can see, I can work on it very easily, do an oil change, it's on the correct level. The bridge goes about 75 centimeters high and drops low as 20. Still gonna need to figure out how I'm gonna mount the ramp, because as you saw in the video, yeah, getting the bike on is really tough, but that is because the back wheel is pretty much stuck. So you know that the next videos are gonna be about the Brixton. I know you guys are gonna be happy about that. You're always complaining, when is the next Brixton videos? I still get a lot of questions to this day on Brixton stuff. Even yesterday I got a question from a guy if he could change his Fieldberg into a cafe racer like the Sunray. I mean, with a grinder and a welder, you can do anything. You saw my video of Little Monster. If you can dream about it, you can do it. You just need a little bit of skill. Even I have not a lot of skills, so yeah, you can do it. But as you can see, it's gonna be a little bit tight around here when we need to drill something, but we're just gonna have to work around that. I mean, it looks pretty nice, the bridge. This is gonna be an improvement because I'm getting pretty old and lifting up bikes. I mean, the Ciao, I put that on the table every single time and it's a real pain in the ass. So with this bridge, it's gonna be a little bit easier. I'm not gonna do a lot of big bikes, like, yeah, big bikes. It's a 125cc. It's not really a big bike, but it's a heavier bike. I'm mainly gonna focus on the RCX and the Ciao. Even the pocket bike is gonna be easier to put on the table, even though it's only weighs like 20 kilos or whatever. Haven't weighed that bike, but yeah, this is gonna be so much easier. I'm pretty happy about it. I'm gonna do a full review on the bridge. I can't say what I think about it right now because I haven't used it before. In the near future, I think about a month after 4 videos, I'm gonna have a good idea what the bridge is capable and what the flaws are and whatever. So yeah, but I'm pretty stoked about it. As you can see, it looks like a legit workshop. And yeah, thanks to my friend, he was here to help it on there. You see us struggling, it was really hard. So now, after a long day of work, time for some fun. And this guy is gonna try a knee down on Little Monster. I tried it before and it's pretty hard. And he is taller than me, so yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun. So we're gonna gear up and start the engine. I'm gonna prep it because I am the mechanic, he is the rider. So he's gonna prepare himself for riding, I'm gonna prepare the bike.
Dat stond hè? Dat was een rondje op de knie. Niet? Niet goed, kom aan. Goed zo. bene. Even aan de kessel, zeg maar.
That was a lot of fun. The shade already left, but he approved of Little Monster. He's absolutely happy with it. Of course, we need a little bit of power, but that is what the springs are gonna do. What I'm most happy about is this. This bridge, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be so happy working on bikes like this. I mean, the engine is right here. I'm still gonna have to do some modifications. I mean, getting the bike up there is a little bit tricky. So I'm gonna weld on this bridge. Yes, I just got it, but to make my life easier, I'm gonna weld it. To getting bikes on and off there a little bit more easier. Speaking of bikes to put on here, well, me and the shader started talking and I think there's gonna be a nice project in the near future. A old bike is gonna return and we're gonna do some awesome stuff to it. But I'm gonna save that for when the time has come. In the next video, I'm gonna have to work on this Brixton, not Little Monster, because there are some issues with it. The battery is dead, it needs an oil change, it needs a checkup, the chain needs to be lubricated, the back wheel doesn't really turn that good. I'm gonna have to clean and maintain the brakes. Also, the owner of the bike asked me to do something about the handlebars. The position that she sits in isn't that good, so I'm gonna have to work on that, modify the handlebar. This is gonna be super easy working like this. I mean, what more do you want? Getting the bike on there and then just pushing the pedal, and it slowly goes down. Now this is all nice when you have it, but what makes this bridge so special to me is that I bought it with money that I earned from making YouTube videos. Now I don't want to brag, I don't want to be a YouTuber who says, hey, I bought this with my money and that and I earned this much or whatever. But I have to say, this wouldn't be possible without you guys. I mean, you guys are watching the videos. So if you are a loyal subscriber, thank you for watching my videos. You guys will make my life pretty easy with this bridge. We're just gonna continue on with the projects, with the bikes, with everything that I do here. There are a lot of fun projects that are coming up. I assure you, you guys are gonna love it. Now, if you are here for Little Monster, the pocket bike, if you were here before for the Brixton or the Ciao or the RCX or whatever, thank you guys. Thank you also to the subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and enjoying the channel. Thank you for everything. It sounds like I'm gonna stop making videos, but no, I'm gonna continue. I bought this now. I have to continue. I am pretty happy with this. So that is gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram. And if you're not already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.